G'day and welcome to Third Period Free, the Microcast where we make sense of the week in education, work and parenting. 3 big stories landed this week that tell the same story from different angles. First up, the day coding died. The head of Claude Code at Anthropic dropped a bombshell last week. He hasn't written a single line of code in over 2 months, not because he's slacking off, but because AI writes all of it now. This bloke shipped 22 pull requests one day and 27 the next, each one 100% written by Claude. An OpenAI researcher said the same thing, posting that he's glad programming is over because it always sucked anyway. Here's what matters for teachers thinking about career moves. The advice was always learn to code, but that was slightly wrong. The real skill was never writing code, it was building things that solve problems. Code was just the frustrating tool that required years to master. Now there's a better tool that understands plain English. The new skill is learn to build with AI, and teachers are already brilliant at this. You decide what needs doing, communicate it clearly, assess the output, and iterate until it works. Sound familiar? Over in enterprise land, the picture gets messier. Udacity's new State of AI at Work report surveyed workers across 17% of companies and found that 92% want AI, but only 1% have it actually working. Only 9% of managers want to replace their teams with AI, which sounds reassuring until you dig deeper. 62% believe AI can't create what customers will want in the future, citing human creativity and critical thinking as the difference. Problem is, most learning and development programs have never been designed to build those capabilities at scale. If human ingenuity is what makes workers irreplaceable, the question is whether current training actually develops that or just tests people on stuff they already knew. Meanwhile, the largest teacher survey on phone bans ever conducted just dropped its findings. 68,000 teachers across US schools weighed in, and the results are clear. Schools with bell-to-bell phone bans have seen better student performance and improved social interactions. The share of schools with full bans jumped from 60% last year to 74% this year. Teachers report kids are actually talking to each other more when phones are away, building the social skills they need through repetition rather than defaulting to devices. All 3 stories point to the same truth. The tools are changing faster than we're adapting to use them wisely. Want to dig deeper into these ideas? Join the community